Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. You know, you've seen Smashburgers all over the internet, all over YouTube. Everybody's making them. But I wanted to take my shot at the ultimate Smashburger. And here it is. Oh, that's good. We're doing it next. Stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Having a little fun today. We're gonna try to top the Smashburger to a next level. And you know, to do that, you gotta grind your meat fresh. If you have a KitchenAid and you don't have the meat grinder, you're missing out. It works for everything. But make sure you get the metal one, not the plastic one. It'll last a lifetime. Anyways, so we got the meat, we're grinding it. And then we're going to get our large non-stick frying pan out. Turn it to medium heat. I've got a couple of extra large hamburger buns. And we're just going to set those on the pan until they get nice and toasty on one side. Just like that. Then we'll remove them, set them to the side. I've got two 3/4 pound hamburger balls that we ground ourselves. Still on medium heat. We're going to grab our smasher, a little bit of parchment paper so nothing sticks, and we're going to smash these two balls down nice and flat. Even with this large frying pan, I gotta slide this guy out of the way to make room for the next. All right, now we're gonna season a little bit of salt and pepper. Now here's a little hint when it's time to flip your burgers. When you start to see the juice come up from the bottom to the top, right there, that means it's time to flip the burger. So we'll flip them over, and I've got 4 slices of deli style American cheese. It's a little step up from the Kraft singles, that's for sure. So we're going to put 2 slices on each burger. And then once that cheese melts, we're going to put our bottom half of our bun down. And we're going to put burger 1 on the bun. Burger 2 on top of burger 1. And then we're going to put our lid on. And we're going to smash this baby down. That's right, a real Smashburger. Hey, thanks for watching, having a little fun. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and tell all your friends and family about us. And make sure you hit that bell to stay up to date on new recipes. All right, see you next week.